Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see the how AI will help the coders, right? So nowadays we are hearing over and there that generative AI era is going on, right? There is a wonderful extension we are having in Visual Studio Code. So those developer who are using Visual Studio Code, right? So they just go to the extension and search for the Copilot, GitHub Copilot, right? So you see that the very first thing is over here, that is GitHub Copilot. Okay. So you need to install this particular GitHub Copilot extension, right? After that, you have to give the permissions for your GitHub account for authentications, your username and password, right? So once you successfully provide that permissions, right? So you will see this particular icon over here. So you can see that. Would you like to disable? Because right now I have enabled it. So it is asking me, would you like to disable for it, right? And it is also asking for the specific programming language. So right now I have created one JavaScript file. So that's why it is asking me for disable for JavaScript, right? So right now I don't want to disable it. Suppose if you want to go for the manage extension, and you can just go over here and you can see how this particular extension is working, right? So today I'm going to demonstrate the use of this particular extension, and you will amaze that how wonderfully it is asking using in the programming era, right? So now suppose, say for example, I'm just going to create one program, right, that passing, you see, I just return a particular word, and after that it is automatically generate the predictions, right? So writing passing function as a parameter. So if you want to select that, if you are comfortable with that particular prediction, then you can just press a tab, right? So now it is going to me ask that what kind of syntax I'm going to write. So suppose if you are happy with this particular syntax, then you just press tab. Otherwise, you can just create yourself. So I'm just creating one uppercase function. So you can just see. So here you can see I have just written the upper, and then later on it is auto generated, right? So you can just press tab, enter. It is also asking you that you just see that how amazingly this is working, right? I don't need to write any single piece of word over here. I just need to hit tab, right? Same way, I'm just going to create. See how it predicts that I'm just going for the next function, that the lowercase is there, right? So this is very amazing, guys, right? So you can just press a tab, you just press enter, you can just press a tab. You can also see that whenever now it is asking me to pass that function as a parameter. You just see that I am not writing any single line of code, guys, right? So you can just see, press enter, it is generating the code automatically, guys, right? So now suppose if I want to check. So if I want to check with the example, then also don't need to write anything over here, guys, right? You can just see I'm just printing just tab. You can just see both functions are going to be executed. Okay, right? So I have not written any single word over here except this let and upper. And after that, the whole program is automatically generated by this particular copilot, guys, right? So now suppose if I run this, then you can see successfully it is going to run the particular program, right? So we can see that how nicely this copilot is, you can say, helping us for writing seamlessly code, right? So that's it for guys. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and please try to use as much as technology and be updated in IT field. Thank you.